In this activity, we're going to do a little bit of JQuery. So JQuery is a JavaScript library, and what it does, it's written a lot of JavaScript, and then it gives you a faster, quicker way to access that code. So it does the same things you could do with JavaScript, it just makes it a bit faster and easier to work with. So to get started with that, we're going to be using the tutorial at W3 Schools. That's where there'll be some information that you can look at. And they've got examples and things you can try and see all the interesting information about JavaScript. So to get started, we need to get the code. So we need to get the JQuery JavaScript code. And you can either download it. So here's a link where you can download it. And if you download it and save it, then you just access that file in your code. The other way to do that is to actually get a content delivery network where you can access it with some site that keeps this code available for access. And you just connect to it then with a link. So we're going to use this method. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to capture that whole script tag. Now we already have a head tag in our HTML file, so we're not going to get that. We're just going to get the opening and closing script tag that has that link. And you can get it from Google or Microsoft, either one will work fine. And then over here in grandopen.html, in the head section, so here's the whole head section. So it just needs to be in there somewhere, right? So I'm just going to put it right above this link tag. And there's that JQuery code. So now that I've entered that, we can use JQuery. So all the commands for using JQuery are in that file. The next thing that I want to do is to create a new file. And this one is where we're going to type our JQuery code. Now we're going to save it as we're going to save it in resources, and we can give it whatever name we want, but it's going to be a JS file. So I'm going to call it animate, because that's what we're going to play with, .js, and save it there. So there's the file, and I can come back to Grand Open here, and I need to put a script tag to this one as well. So I'm going to type the script tag, not quite like that. There's the script tag. And in here, we're going to want to, in this particular script tag, is we want to put the source equals, and here we're going to put a relative address because this is local. So it's in resources, slash, and then the name of it, animate.js, and save that. Now we want to verify we've got connection here, so I'm just going to put an alert function in here, and this will verify that we have connected. So if I do that and save it, and then I go to the page and open it, and this is the Grand Open HTML page, and I refresh, and sure enough, there's that alert. So now we know that our JS file is connected.